let's have a look at some of these questions now. So Dexter has got some 10 pence coins. Alright, so these are all 10 pence or 10 pennies. Okay, how many coins has he got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. How much coin is each worth? It's worth 10 pence. How much money does he have in total? So we've got 7, basically we've got 7 groups of 10. So our sum would be 7 times 10, and if we counted that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70p. Or we could swap them around. Rather than 7 times 10 or 7 groups of 10, we could do 10 times 7 or 10 groups of 7. If we looked at this question here, we're going up in steps. Is it 0? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, it's counted in steps of 10. So now we look at this. What are the missing steps? If he's counting in tens, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So the missing numbers are 70 and 80. If we're just going to look at these as simple arithmetic sums, where they're just the numbers, we've got 5 groups of 10. Is 50 because we times 5 by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 times 2, we could either count it as 10 groups of 2, counting 2s, or we can swap them around. 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. 8 times 10, 8 ones changes to 8 tens. Remember that first video that we looked at where we put it into the machine and the ones changed to tens. So the 8 ones changed to 8 tens. 10 ones, if we put that into the machine, we get 10 tens, which is 100. 10 times 11, we don't know our 11 times table, but if we swap these two round, we would get 11 times 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, which is 10 times 10, add another 10, 110. Have a go at the rest of the questions on the worksheet now.